Hello, wanderer. If my magic stirred something in your soul, if you simply felt the whisper of mystery in the air, would you do me a small favor? Tap that subscribe button so you never miss a spell, and leave a comment below. Tell me what kind of enchantment you'd like to see next.
Walk alone beneath the trees, with moonlight dancing on my sleeves. I don't need words to cast a spell. The wind just knows me very well. Pick a flower, touch the dew, and everything feels fresh and new. The stars lean close to hear me hum. The world goes quiet when I come. Shadows start to bloom. The forest breathes inside my room. Luna sing, wrap me in your silver wing. Luna sing, let the quiet magic spring.
Tap that subscribe button so you never miss a spell, and leave a comment below. Tell me what kind of enchantment you'd like to see next.